back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP. Today I'm going to show you how to make these amazing lime coconut jellies. Sounds really simple, and it is. I'll show you how I do it. Right, saucepan, I've got a lime. I'm just going to take the zest off that lime and put that straight into the bottom of a cold saucepan, just like I am doing right there. So just take your time, work through, don't get the pith in. The pith will make it bitter. We want the everything to be nice and sweet. Juice that lime out straight into that pan like I'm doing right there. Both halves of that lime, they can go straight in. Around about 1/3 of a cup of caster sugar, that can go straight into that saucepan as well. Give that a stir up and we'll start seeing a really cool green looking sugar in the bottom. I'm going to add another 1/3 of a cup of water into that just to help everything dilute a little bit. Right, now here I've got some powdered gelatin, 2 teaspoons of powdered gelatin. That can go straight into our cold saucepan as well, like that. And we want to break down that gelatin powder. We want to make sure there's no lumps. If you want to use a film style gelatin, completely different recipe altogether. This is a real quick and easy way to do it. Once everything is dissolved, like I've done there, a 400 gram can of coconut milk can go straight into our saucepan as well. Okay, I told you this was easy, and believe me, it is. We're now going to add a little bit of heat to the subject. I'm going to put that on a sort of low-ish heat, and we're just going to keep stirring through until all that sugar, all that gelatin and everything else has dissolved down and combined. Right, see a little bit of steam coming off that. All right, time to serve up. Wasn't sure on how much or how many little containers I was going to need, so I've got all the containers out, and I'm just going to ladle that into our little jars, just like I'm doing right there. Nice and slow, nice and careful, but knowing me, I'm going to spill it anyway. Okay, so we just keep filling those up. All we have to really do now is let them come back to a room temperature, let them go into the refrigerator for around about 1 to 2 hours, and they will look like that. And there you go, we have got these amazing lime coconut jellies. Really simple, really easy, and incredibly refreshing and zingy on a hot day. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button, it gives me confidence, it should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit the notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. Leave a comment, I love reading them, love responding to them. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. More importantly, want to learn how to make a little quick dessert like this? Need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my little lime coconut jelly, and I will catch you next time. Bye!